Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HeRO Whiteboard. I'm Will King, and today's topic is neurodevelopment. In multiple studies, we've seen that elevated HeRO scores correspond with abnormal neuropathology, including abnormal EEG findings, higher grade of IVH, and white matter damage on MRI. Furthermore, outcomes when assessed at 18 months, including abnormal Bayley scores, cerebral palsy, and low MDI are all associated with elevated HeRO scores. Now this led us to the HeRO randomized control trial follow-up study where the ELBWs from the HeRO randomized control trial at 3 of the study centers were evaluated at 18 to 22 months corrected age. The primary composite outcome of death or neurodevelopmental impairment did trend toward an improvement for HeRO patients. However, it was far from statistically significant at p equals 0.2. However, death at 18 to 22 months was improved, 24% for HeRO versus 32% for controls. And some of the other composite outcomes were also statistically significant, including death or severe cerebral palsy, which was 26% for HeRO patients versus 34% for controls. So to summarize, EEG findings, MRI findings, and IVH grade all correspond to elevated HeRO scores, and the HeRO scores in the NICU correspond with neurodevelopmental outcomes at 18 to 22 months. Finally, extremely low birth weight babies randomized to have HeRO displayed had reduced mortality and reduced mortality or severe cerebral palsy at 18 to 22 months. As always, references are available on our website at www.heroscore.com/hero-publications. And thanks for watching this series on HeRO monitoring. Be sure to like or subscribe to ensure you don't miss future content as it's released. And we want to hear back from you. Please leave comments below or send me feedback directly by email at wking@heroscore.com. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time at the HeRO Whiteboard.